What's cooking, everyone? Are you having a hard time feeding your kids with vegetables? So this recipe is perfect for you. Parents, kids, you will love these vegetable nuggets. So cook with me. Shout out to my students. Hi, and let's cook. Okay, so here's our ingredients. Potatoes, grate it. Use the big holes on the grater. Carrots. Chop it thinly. Mushroom, slice it at the same size of the carrots. Cheese. I used 2 cans of cheese, but any cheese will do. Cheddar and mozzarella. So it's up to you. Just grate it. Use the big holes of the grater. Mix the cheese. Steamed broccoli. So I steamed this ahead so it will not be hard, and just chop it, slice it so the mixer will not have a hard time. So get ready a food processor, put in everything, all the vegetables in, and we're just gonna blend it together. Garlic, about 2 cloves of garlic, 5 grams of ginger. It's optional. If you don't like, it's okay. Add half of the cheese, and we're gonna add the half of it later. 2 eggs. Salt. Thank you for my parents who sent this goodies. And pepper. Add the cheese. Just blend it as nice and smooth, but not too smooth. Just enough texture like that. Get a 1/8 cup and fill it in with the mixture. Flour it, and we have that egg wash or egg mixture. It's just egg and a little bit of milk. Dip it on our egg mixture, soak it to be wet, and we're gonna put breadings on it. So give it a nice cover and pat reshape it if you want, like stars. I want it just circle. So here's another one in case you missed the first one. Different angle. Flour, egg wash, and breading. So just repeat the process to make all the ingredients nuggets. Yeah, this is a very nice recipe for your kids, especially if they want chicken nuggets. They won't notice that this is vegetable. So here's the finished product. I will bake this 400-degree Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until brown. All right. Let's bake it. We are done. Awesome color, golden brown. This really this tastes amazing. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and just browse my page for more recipes like this. Bye.